Hi, I'm Michael Kokenauer, President and CEO of IT Synergy and also a certified ethical hacker. Welcome to week 3 of our 8-week Super Cyber U competition. This week we're going to talk about two-factor authentication. What the heck is that, you ask? Well, let's first talk about what makes up a factor. The 3 possibilities are something you have, something you know, and something you are. The best example of two-factor authentication is taking cash out of an ATM. In order to do that, you must have an ATM card and you must know the PIN number. See? 2 out of 3 factors gives you two-factor authentication. While we all have probably taken money out of an ATM, what most people don't realize is that two-factor authentication is available in many more places than just the bank. It is also available for the vast majority of your online accounts. Enabling two-factor authentication on the accounts you access online significantly increases the security associated with the account and adds an additional layer of complexity for a hacker that is trying to steal your information. So for this week's challenge, I'd like you to pick your 2 or 3 most important accounts. They should come from the list of 5 accounts you created new passwords for as part of last week's challenge, and enable two-factor authentication. The steps are pretty similar for most accounts, but I'll give you the specific steps for Gmail and Amazon. In Gmail, click your picture or the icon with your initial in the upper right corner and choose Google account. Under Sign In and Security, click Signing In to Google. On the right, click two-step verification and turn it on. You'll then need to choose what you want the second step to be. My recommendation is to use the Authenticator app, as that is a better and more secure option than receiving a text message. Most importantly, make sure you record and store your backup code someplace safe. Your password management app from week 1 is a great tool for this. Finally, for Amazon, click on your account at the top, then select Login and Security. Click Edit next to Advanced Security Settings. Click Get Started to enable two-step verification and follow the steps to set up your phone to receive the code. Again, I'd recommend using the app rather than a text message as it is more secure. Once you're done, click the link in the email you received with this week's video and tell me which accounts you chose to enable two-factor authentication. The competition is heating up, so make sure you send your submissions from each video. Good luck and see you next week.